As an installer or security consultant, you've seen it all. From outdated intercom systems that are a nightmare to integrate to complaints from property managers about systems that fail to meet tenant expectation. You're looking for a solution that not only satisfies the end user, but also makes your job easier, faster, and more reliable. That's where the DNAKE Compact S-Series comes in. Designed with professionals like you in mind, this lineup is compact, durable, and flexible enough to meet the demands of any projects. Whether it's a multi-tenant apartment, a small office, or residential home. And when you need to scale or adapt, the expansion model ensures you can deliver a solution that grows with your client needs. In this video, we'll explore the feature scenarios and benefits of the S213M, S213K, the S212 intercoms, and show you how they simplify installation and enhance the user experience. Picture this scenario. You're working with a property manager for a mid-sized apartment building. They're frustrated because their current intercom system is outdated. Tenants complain about the visitor buzzing the wrong units, delivery being missed, and the lack of clear communication. Now, as a professional, you know the challenges. The system must be intuitive for visitors while providing reliable communication for tenants. It needs to integrate seamlessly with modern access control systems, and of course, it has to be quick to install, durable, and easy to maintain. Enter the S213M. This intercom is built specifically for multi-tenant environments. With 2 or 5 configurable call buttons, it's straightforward for visitors to reach the right tenant. Its SIP-based technology integrates smoothly with any existing IP network, saving you time during setup, and its rugged weatherproof design ensures you won't be called back to replace it anytime soon. For you, the installer, the S213M is a win-win. It reduces complexity, minimizes the installation time, and delivers a system your client and their tenants will enjoy using. But what happens when your project demands more? For example, a larger apartment complex where 5 buttons aren't enough. That's where the B17-EX002 comes into play. And it's a mouthful, so I refer it as the expansion module if you don't mind. This accessory adds 5 additional call buttons to the main intercom, complete with backlit nameplates for easy navigation. It connects to the main intercom via RS485, making it simple to configure and scale to the system without adding anything unnecessary. For installers, this means you can deliver a customized solution that grows with your client's need, whether you're working on a new build or retrofitting an older property. The expansion model ensures you're never limited by the hardware. Alright, now let's move to the S213K, the go-to option when you need more flexibility. This model includes a numeric keypad allowing for PIN code entry alongside traditional card-based access, application-based access, QR code. By the way, this is true for all the versions that we have here, but this one has the PIN code option as well. For a consultant or installer, the S213K is an ideal choice for office buildings, secured facilities, or any environment requiring multiple authentication methods. It offers flexibility for both resident and administrators, supporting PIN codes and all the stuff I just said. From an installation perspective, it's just as simple to set up as the S213M with SIP integration and robust durability that minimize maintenance calls. The ability to pair it with an expansion model means you can scale this intercom for multi-tenant scenarios without compromising on security. Now, if we're moving to smaller projects like single-family homes or a standalone office, there's the S212. Think of it as the professional-grade answer to a video doorbell. It's a single-button intercom with a high-quality 2-megapixel camera ensuring visitors' identification. While simple on the surface, it includes the same robust feature as its larger counterpart. SIP integration, IC-ID card support, and an IP65 IK07 rating. For installers, the S212 offers a straightforward solution that's easy to deploy but delivers a professional edge that sets it apart from consumer-grade devices. The beauty of the Compact S-Series lies in its flexibility. As an installer or consultant, you can mix and match these devices to create a system perfectly tailored to your project. For example, a smaller building might only need the simplicity of the S213M or the S212. And because the entire series is SIP-based, integrating with existing networks and indoor monitors is as simple as it gets. Less time troubleshooting means more delivering value for your clients. But what sets each intercoms apart? Let's take a closer look at the specification and authentication option for the three models that we have here. Now, you have all the specs next to me, but as you can see, all the products are more or less the same. They have a 2 megapixel CMOS lens, they have a 110-degree wide angle, high durability, so IK07, IP65, and a lot of authentication methods. That's what we repeat with DNAKE. You're not limited. And when we're looking at this one right here, so with the keypad, is just an additional option for you to use. So again, really flexible solution and really easy to use, and job is done. We've been testing DNAKE products for a while now. As you can see, the S-Series varies in the sense that we just did a video about the S617, which is completely different for their compact line. It just shows the flexibility of the DNAKE products. So depending on your projects, well, you have a lot of products that can fit your needs and fit those projects, especially with an expansion model like this one that you can just put with your next to the device and just add on more functions. Again, guys, DNAKE is a global manufacturer. You can find these products at your local distributor. And if you cannot, well, reach out to us and we'll put you in contact with DNAKE. All right, see you in the next one.